because we are standing on native land, and Latino people are descendants of native people, and we cannot be told and criminalized simply for our identity or our status.
We're told that as Americans, we live on stolen land, and that the U.S. government perpetrated a literal genocide against native nations. These narratives are not only wrong, but they're also a form of intellectual warfare designed to dishonor our ancestors and to foster a sense of collective guilt that would undermine American confidence and unity. And, well, the thing is, it's working.
북한은 혹시 남쪽이 북침하지 않을까 이 걱정을 해가지고 삼중 철책치고 혹시 탱크라도 넘어오지 않을까 해서 평원 지역에는 방벽을 쌓고
뭐 어느 나라나 이 속는 사람도 있죠. 우리나라도 속는 사람 많습니다. 엄청 많습니다.
해도